This lesson is dedicated to answering the question, where does the electric current come from?
At first glance, this aluminum can is meant to store delicious soda, but it will help us understand the structure of metal. The structure of any metal resembles many solar systems, arranged equidistant from each other. Each individual atom is a system where electrons orbit around the center or nucleus, similar to how planets orbit the sun. In physics, it is customary to consider electrons having a negative charge and the nucleus of an atom having a positive charge, which explains their strong connection.
This is what a real aluminum atom looks like, with 3 orbits, many electrons. In reality, the nucleus is many times larger than the electrons.
This representation of an atom further resembles the planetary model of the atom, known as the boron. An atom can also be represented as a nucleus surrounded by a cloud of probabilities in which electrons are distributed in space.
This representation of an atom is related to quantum mechanics and is called the quantum model of the atom. In fact, the quantum representation is much more complex. We will cover it in a separate lesson.
We have realized an important fact. The structure of any metal atom consists of many elements and interactions. Let's explore the structure of atoms of other metals. The structure of a metal is a geometrically correctly arranged set of atoms.